Imagine waking up feeling truly refreshed, your mind clear and your body ready to take on the day. Picture yourself savoring delicious, satisfying meals that leave you energized, not sluggish or weighed down. You move through your morning with a sense of control over your health, feeling lighter, more focused, and genuinely happy. What if the key to this transformation isn't about depriving yourself, obsessively counting calories, or following complicated diet rules? What if it's as simple as changing the type of fuel your body runs on? The ketogenic diet, or keto, is a powerful metabolic approach that teaches your body to burn fat for energy instead of relying on sugar and carbs. It's a shift that can unlock a whole new level of vitality. For decades, we were told to fear fat and fill our plates with bread, pasta, and sugary snacks. Yet despite our best efforts, many of us still struggle with stubborn weight, constant cravings, and low energy. Keto turns that old advice on its head. Instead of shunning fats, you'll embrace healthy options like creamy avocados, rich olive oil, and nourishing fatty fish. These foods become the foundation of your meals, helping you feel full and satisfied. But keto is about so much more than just losing weight. It's about experiencing steady, all-day energy, improved mental clarity, and a more balanced mood. Imagine powering through your workday without the afternoon slump or brain fog. You'll be eating real, whole foods, fresh vegetables, quality proteins, and nourishing fats. No more relying on processed diet products or artificial ingredients. It's about getting back to basics and fueling your body the way nature intended. Think of it as giving your body premium fuel, the kind that helps you run at your absolute best. When you nourish yourself with the right foods, you'll notice the difference in every aspect of your life. The benefits go far beyond the number on the scale. Many people report deeper, more restful sleep, clearer skin, and a noticeable reduction in inflammation and aches. It's a holistic approach to feeling your best, inside and out. Keto helps address the root cause of many common health issues, our modern dependence on sugar and processed carbs. By breaking free from sugar's grip, you can reclaim your health and vitality. In this guide, we'll break down the science behind keto in simple, easy-to-understand terms, so you know exactly how and why it works. We'll show you what happens inside your body when you enter ketosis, and how this process can help you reach your health goals. You'll learn what to eat, how to plan your meals, and how to get started with confidence, even if you're brand new to keto. Forget about complicated rules or restrictive plans. This is about making practical, sustainable changes that fit your real life and your unique needs. My goal is to empower you with the knowledge and tools you need to make informed, confident choices for your health and well-being. Remember, this isn't a quick fix or a temporary diet. It's a lifestyle shift designed for lasting results and lifelong wellness. So, are you ready to take the first step? Let's begin your journey to better health, more energy, and a happier you, starting today. The ketogenic diet is low in carbs, moderate in protein, and high in healthy fats. Cutting carbs forces your body to find a new fuel, fat. This state, called ketosis, is when your liver turns fat into ketones, a clean energy source for your body and brain. Most diets keep you running on sugar, but keto unlocks your body's massive fat stores. That's why people on keto often feel steady energy and less hunger. Ketosis also keeps insulin low, helping your body burn fat more easily. The brain thrives on ketones, leading to improved focus and mental clarity. Ketosis can reduce inflammation and support cellular health. By switching your fuel source, you're upgrading your body's operating system. Keto isn't just a diet, it's a metabolic transformation. Keto is simpler than you think. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Your macros, about 70-75% fat, 20-25% protein, and just 5-10% carbs, usually under 20-30 grams of net carbs per day. Fill your plate with healthy fats, avocados, olive oil, coconut oil, butter, nuts and seeds. Choose quality proteins like grass-fed beef, fatty fish, pasture-raised chicken, and eggs. Don't overdo protein, too much can kick you out of ketosis. Avoid sugar, grains, starchy veggies, and most fruits except small amounts of berries. Read labels carefully, hidden carbs are everywhere. Build meals around protein, healthy fat, and low-carb veggies. Think salmon with salad or eggs with spinach and avocado. This structure keeps you satisfied and in fat-burning mode. Here's what a day of keto eating can look like, with portions adjusted for your needs. Whether you're just starting out or looking to fine-tune your routine, having a sample meal plan can make things much easier and help you stay on track. Many people find that eating 2 meals a day works well. especially when paired with intermittent fasting. This approach can help simplify your schedule, reduce cravings, and support steady energy throughout the day. For your first meal, try a keto power salad. Start with a base of mixed greens, then add grilled chicken or salmon for protein, creamy avocado for healthy fats, crunchy walnuts, tangy feta, and a drizzle of olive oil dressing. This meal is packed with nutrients and flavor, keeping you full and satisfied. For your second meal, enjoy steak and greens. Choose a grass-fed ribeye steak, paired with roasted asparagus or another favorite low-carb veggie like broccoli or green beans. This combination delivers plenty of protein, iron, and fiber. Hydration is key on keto. Aim to drink at least half your body weight in ounces of water each day. Staying hydrated helps your body adjust and supports overall health. To replenish minerals lost on keto, add a pinch of sea salt or a scoop of electrolyte powder to your water. This can help prevent headaches, fatigue, and muscle cramps. You might also consider magnesium and potassium supplements, especially if you're active or prone to cramps. These minerals are essential for muscle function and energy. Don't be afraid to customize your meals, swap salmon for mackerel, or try asparagus one day and zucchini the next. Variety keeps your meals interesting and ensures a range of nutrients. The basic formula is simple. Include a source of protein, healthy fat, and low-carb vegetables in every meal. This balance helps you stay in ketosis and feel your best. These meals are not only satisfying and nutrient-rich, but they also help you maintain steady energy and keep cravings at bay, making it easier to stick with your keto lifestyle. Remember to adjust your portions based on your energy needs, activity level, and personal goals. Everyone's requirements are different, so listen to your body, pay attention to how you feel after meals and tweak your plan as needed. Keeping a food journal can help you track what works best for you. Keto is flexible. Make it work for you. Experiment with new recipes, and enjoy the process of discovering what fuels your body best. When starting keto, your energy may dip as your body adapts. This is normal. Focus on low-intensity activities at first, walking, light jogging, or cycling. After 4 to 6 weeks, add resistance training and HIIT for strength and fat loss. Men alternate strength days, squats, deadlifts, presses, with interval training. Women combine strength moves, goblet squats, push-ups with bodyweight HIIT and flexibility work like yoga. Recovery is key. Get enough sleep and electrolytes. Rest days are essential for progress. Listen to your body and adjust your routine as needed. With time, you'll feel stronger and more energized than ever. The keto flu is common in the first week. Headache, fatigue, cramps, but it's preventable. It's caused by dehydration and loss of electrolytes as your body sheds water. Prevent it by adding sea salt to meals and water, and eating potassium-rich foods like avocado and spinach. Consider a magnesium supplement, especially before bed. Drink more water than usual. Aim for half your body weight in ounces. Keep a water bottle handy to stay hydrated. Don't restrict calories or start intense workouts in week 1. Eat enough healthy fats to feel satisfied. Rest if you're tired. Your body is adjusting. Manage electrolytes, hydrate, and eat well to breeze through the transition. Starting a keto diet can feel overwhelming, and it's easy to make mistakes that slow your progress or leave you feeling frustrated. Some of the most common keto mistakes include not eating enough fat, eating too much protein, and missing hidden carbs in your meals. Many people are still afraid of fat, but on keto, fat is your main source of energy and should be embraced, not avoided. Don't fear healthy fats. Add olive oil, butter, and avocados to every meal to help you feel full and satisfied. These fats not only boost flavor, but also help your body stay in ketosis, the fat-burning state you're aiming for. Keep protein moderate. Too much protein can actually raise your blood sugar and block ketosis, making it harder to see results. Focus on high-quality protein sources, but remember that more isn't always better. Watch for hidden carbs in sauces, dressings, and even some vegetables. Carbs can sneak in where you least expect them, so it's important to stay vigilant. Always read labels carefully, especially on processed foods. Even foods labeled keto-friendly can sometimes contain added sugars or starches that can kick you out of ketosis. Whenever possible, stick to whole foods and cook at home. This gives you full control over what goes into your meals and helps you avoid unwanted ingredients. Cooking at home can also make keto more enjoyable and sustainable for the long term. Don't obsess over ketone meter numbers. How you feel matters more. As your body adapts, it uses ketones more efficiently, so the numbers may drop even as your fat burning increases. Instead, focus on the real benefits: stable energy, reduced hunger, and improved mood. These are signs that your body is thriving on keto. You may also notice better mental clarity and focus, which are great indicators that you're on the right track. If you slip up or have a setback, you don't get discouraged. Simply adjust your approach and keep moving forward. Remember, progress, not perfection, is the real goal. Learn from your mistakes, track your progress, and celebrate small wins along the way. Consistency is key to long-term success. Stay committed, keep learning, and remember that every step forward brings you closer to your goals. That's how you succeed with keto. Keto isn't one size fits all. Always consult your doctor before starting. This is crucial if you have health conditions or take medication, especially for diabetes or kidney issues. Your doctor can help you adjust medications and monitor your progress safely. Baseline blood tests are helpful to track improvements. Never change medication on your own. Your doctor is your partner in this journey. They may refer you to a dietitian for extra support. Taking this step ensures a safe, effective keto experience. You now understand the basics of keto and how it transforms your body's fuel source. It's not about deprivation, but about fueling your body for energy and clarity. Start with one small change. Swap toast for eggs, or cut out sugary drinks. Use the meal plans and exercise tips as inspiration, not rigid rules. Listen to your body, stay hydrated, and focus on electrolytes. Don't fear mistakes. Adjust and keep moving forward. Every healthy meal and energized day is a win. You're in control of your health journey. Keep learning, seek support, and consult your healthcare provider. The path to a healthier, more energetic you starts now. Take the first step and begin your transformation. You have everything to gain. Let's get started. This is going to blow your mind. Want to be part of the fun? Smash that like button. Hit subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Don't miss out on exclusive content and all the good vibes. Join us now.